Hello friend, my name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today we are going to download and install React.js application. For that you have to first download and install Node.js. Let's first download. You have to open your favorite browser and search Node.js download and hit enter. You can see the first link which is www.nodejs.org. Click here. You can see we have two version, LST version and current version. You can either download LST version means long term support version. You can download current version means latest one. Okay, I am going to download the LST version means long term support version. And after that you can see we have Windows installer, macOS installer, source code installer. It is for Linux or any open source operating system, and you can download for Mac and Windows. Because I'm using currently Windows, that's why I'm going to download for Windows. Click here, it will start downloading. It is of 30 MB, that's why it is downloaded already. Now after this, just show in folder, you can click from here and you can directly direct from here. You can see it is successfully downloaded, and after that you have to double click on it. It takes some time, and after that it will give you the welcome wizard, and here you have to click on next, click on I accept and click on next. And this is the destination folder. You can change with the help of this button, and here you can choose or redirect. I just cancel it and leave it as it is, then click on next. If you want to continuously update your Node.js, you can take this, automatically install the necessary tools and application, okay, where it is necessary, and I just leave it as it is and click on next. Click on install. It does not take more than 2 minutes. Okay, have patience. Click on yes. Here you can see our node is successfully downloaded. Just click on finish. After successful installation of Node.js, here you have to create a folder, name whatever you want. I provide React, hit enter, and here just double click on it to open it. And after that, here you provide cmd and press enter. It will open. Cmd means command prompt, and here you provide npx. Now provide the command create -react -app and provide the name. For example, I provide demo app and hit enter. It will take some time. Have patience. Now here you can see our React.js project is successfully completed. Now to run this app, you need to type cd and then demo app, which is the name of our project. And after that, hit enter. You can see our directory is changed. Now we have to type np npm and then type start and hit enter. You can see React is open in localhost 3000 port number. This is how you can create React application or project with the help of Node.js. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.